Welcome to my channel once again. My perfume, my passion. Today's topic is oud fragrance. We call it Dahnal Oud with respect. It's a quite mysterious fragrance, mysterious because it's available or found in or from Assam to Burma, Laos, Cambodia, and Far East, and strangely is a part of our Arab rituals and cultures. Most like fragrance for Arabs. They loved it like anything. Nowadays, applying a oud fragrance is a matter of status. Many companies have come up with the synthetic version of oud fragrance because oud is a very expensive oil. So most of the perfume makers has developed a synthetic version and which is available in the market. So here I am going to show you how to create a synthetic fragrance of oud with using available material which I have selected as a two compound. One is I will make with Azaro and other is Drakkar Noir, and in both of this we'll put this cyprol oil. Usually it is called Nagarmotha. By adding this we'll make a synthetic version of Dahnal Oud. Okay, so let's start. First we'll take this Drakkar Noir 5 grams. Okay, so here is 5 grams Drakkar Noir. This is 5 grams. Now Azaro 5 grams. So here is Azaro 5 grams. Azaro 5 grams. Now 5 grams of cyprol oil. This is also called Nagarmotha oil. So 5 grams Nagarmotha oil or cyprol oil. This Nagarmotha or cyprol oil is actually essential oil. It is extracted from the roots of Nagarmotha. So, and this fragrance is very much close to the oud oil. So it is necessary to use this cyprol oil to get a not exact but a very much nearer to oud fragrance. So here I am putting it Nagarmotha oil. Fine. Now this blend is of 15 grams. All the Drakkar Noir, Azaro and Nagarmotha are in equal quantity. Now the thing is over here dear is you can reduce the quantity the way you like it. You can reduce the quantity of cyprol oil also, or you can increase or decrease the quantity of Drakkar Noir or Azaro as well, whatever. It's up to you. It is just I have given a guideline that if you use this thing, so you will get a oud fragrance, synthetic oud fragrance, which is now this kind of fragrance is available in the market. So here it is, your synthetic fragrance of oud is made by using a synthetic fragrances available in the market. Fine. So here it is done. Now I'll come up with the second formulation. Okay. Now we'll make another compound of oud using different fragrances and different essential oil. Here are two fragrances. One is cigar, another is one man show, and essential oil we are using it as additives is cedarwood oil. Cedarwood oil is very woody note, dry, woody, strong woody, would say, whatever, but is also a part of a Dahnal Oud. So here we are going with these two fragrances along with cedarwood oil. Fine. So let's start. First, we have to take cigar 10 grams. Okay, so I'll take cigar 10 grams. Here is cigar 10 grams. Cigar, as you can see, 10 grams. Okay, now one mancho 2 grams. So I'll simply use a dropper for 2 grams. So one mancho 2 grams. One mancho 2 grams. Fine. This is used. Now it is. Now this blend is okay. Now we have to add the additives. So to give a woody note, I'll add cedarwood oil in the here 3 grams. So cedarwood oil 3 grams. Fine. Cedarwood 3 grams. Fine. So here we are putting cedarwood 3 grams. Now this is your blend ready. A different version. Earlier it was used with Azzaro, Dracor and Cypriol oil. Here we have used cigar, one mancho and cedarwood oil. Now here you can replace the cedarwood oil with cypriol oil, vice versa, and you can see the difference because not in a very big quantity. So you can make the experiment with different these fragrances. You can replace one mancho with Azzaro or whatever, but basically I have given you guidelines, so you can follow that and make them. Apart from after experiences, you can make different compounds also. Fine. So here it is our Dahnal Oud. It's not very thick, but it's okay because we are using a fragrance oil which are not thick ones, so it's okay. And usually if you want to make it thick, you have to add different additives to make it thick, some resins also. So because of resins they make it thick, but being thick is not important. Important is what you make, what the fragrance is coming out, that is important. Fine sir, so here it is. Now what we'll do is, now we'll make a spray of this one. So we'll simply add, at least this is a bottle of 10 ml I suppose, so we'll add at least, for a good quantity or good quality I mean to say, we'll add 2 grams of oud what we have made. Okay, 2 grams. Two grams of compound what we have made or I have made. Okay, and we'll add alcohol. Fine. Now it's ready. See, fine. See, good fragrance. So friends, today's topic was oud fragrance, synthetic oud fragrance. Try this combination at your home and please give me your feedback. You can contact me on my email address. Apart from this, I must say that not only these 2 fragrances or cypriol oil or cedarwood oil is added, there are many more things to be added to make a compounds, but the list will be very long. So I have just limited the compounds or products to make it easier for you. If you want to know further what to add, just ask me on my email. I'll surely reply you that what other chemicals can be added to make a good synthetic version of Dahnal Oud. So friends, do keep watching my channel and do give me your feedback. Till then, goodbye. See you in next video.